How to delete Ubisoft account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how I can delete your Ubisoft account. Well, while you might feel that it's quite complicated, actually the process itself is quite simple and easy. Now let me guide you through. Simply open up your Ubisoft Connect application. You can get it on the Play Store, and what you want to do is you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, what you want to do is let this load up. As you can see, it's taking some time to load up. At the bottom of your screen you can see home, games, social, notifications and profile option. What you want to do is you want to tap on the profile option at the bottom right corner of your screen, and if once you tap on it here, what you want to do is you want to tap on the gear icon that you can find at the top right corner of your screen. You can see the settings icon there. Simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, what you want to do is under support you can see account management, FAQ, Ubisoft support, and below it you can see delete my Ubisoft account. Simply tap on delete my Ubisoft account, and it should take you to the other web page where it will load up, and it might ask you to log in. In my case, I'm already logged in. I guess here you can see yes, I'm logged in, and it's prompting me directly to close your Ubisoft account page here. And here what you want to do is you want to simply select the box here that says I have read the above information and I want to continue closing my Ubisoft account. Simply tap on it and simply tap and close my account, and you'll be good to go. So this way you can close your Ubisoft account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.